Hey, what's up, guys? This is Michael, and I want to show you guys this football square spreadsheet that I made. So it's a little bit different than my original video. I've kind of updated it a little bit, so it's a little bit easier to use, and you can use it for multiple games. So this is basically a spreadsheet for the football squares game. The first thing I would do when you get it is you go to squares, the tab, and then click on the arrow and click on duplicate. And then I would probably change it to like week 1 or whatever you want to call this. This way you can use it over and over again for as many games as you want, right? So you always have an empty template here. So once you do that, it's really easy. You basically just type in how much each square is going to cost. So it's like $5. You type in one of the team's names here, Patriots, and we'll just do Rams or something. And then you type in whoever's going to play. So whoever's going to play, just type in all their names here, and then their name will automatically show up on this drop-down menu. So if I add my name, for example, Michael, it's going to add to the very bottom. And then everyone just selects their squares wherever they want to select it. And you can just share this document to whoever's emails. So once you select all the squares, then I would go here. And then let me sort this real quick. So it should be always 0 through 9 at first. And then so you see the numbers here are sorted, right? And when everyone has selected their squares, you want to just highlight each list, highlight it, right click it, and click on randomize range. And then do the same with the second list, randomize range. So once that's all set and the game's ready to go, you would basically just type in the score of each, the score of the game after each quarter. So Patriots score, Rams score, first quarter, whatever. And then it's going to automatically calculate the winner based on this. So don't worry about that. There's also a reverse winner that's optional if you want to play that way. And then it also calculates how much everyone owes. You can click here if they've paid or not, and then it'll adjust automatically. And then the way that I would do it, the way that I would share with my friends is I would go to share, and then I would type in their email addresses here or whatever. This way you can see who's edited what at all times. So if there's ever any issues, you guys can always just look back at the history and see who's edited what. All right, guys. I'm going to leave a link to where you can buy this template in the description below. And then you can always just reach out to me with any questions. Thanks a lot, guys.